Hi everyone, welcome back to another Zano List video. In this video, I will show you how you can sign up to Zebec so you can get a reloadable Mastercard that you can spend fUSD or Zano anywhere that Mastercard is accepted. I would also show you how you can link it to your Apple Pay wallet or your Google Play wallet for in-person payments. So first things first, we need to download the Zano wallet app, and that's what I'm using right now. So this can be found on the Google or Apple store. You can also find it on zano.org/downloads. If it's your first time downloading and setting up the Zano wallet, you're going to need to wait for the Zano wallet to fully synchronize. So this can take a few hours depending on your internet connection, and you need to make sure that you leave the Zano wallet open to allow it to sync. And once you know it's synced, you can see a green dot right next to my wallet. So once you have the wallet, you would also need some Zano or fUSD. So you can do this by using a swapping service such as Exolix or Trocador, or if you want to go through an exchange, you can use Mex. So now that we're within the wallet, you can then go back to the main menu and you can see a browser icon at the bottom right-hand corner. You're going to click that. And then conveniently, it's already ready at the bottom here, Super App, Zebec.io. Going to click that, and that's going to open the Zebec website. Now what I need to do is click the boat icon up here, click Get Your Card. And then as you can see, it's already detected that I am using the Zano app. So what I need to do is click Done here to approve the access. And as you can see, my wallet is now connected. And now I just need to sign up. I'm going to select USA, and this is important to do so you can have a smooth sign-up process. Country of residence, also from USA. I'm going to click Next. Now for the phone number, I need to enter my phone number here. And then I need to enter a US address. So again, this is super important to do. Okay, that's now complete. And now what I need to do is go back to the home page here. And as you can see, I can click to create a new carbon card. Now this is a reloadable card. And if you want a one-time use card, you can create one called a silver card. And that's only for one-time use. I'm going to click Create New Carbon Card here. And then I'm going to switch this to fUSD, the private stablecoin. And I'm going to be topping this up with 50 fUSD. As you can see, I'm going to receive 49.93 USD to spend. The fee is 0%. And I just have to click Create Carbon Card. And then I need to confirm. And congratulations, your carbon card will now be sent via email. I'm going to click Done here. So what I need to do now is go to my email and activate the card. As you can see, I'm on the Inactive tab. My card is right here. So I just need to go to the email and follow the link in the email to activate it. It will now bring you to a screen like this. And just to note, you don't need to be in the Zano browser app anymore. And now I just need to create a password. Then I'm going to click Continue. Here's all my information. I'm going to set a security question. And once I've completed those steps, all I need to do now is click Confirm to get my card. Now, as you can see on my payment vault, here is my card details. If you want to add your reloadable card to your device, if you scroll down here, you can see device accounts here. Now, all you need to do is click Add to Apple Wallet. Or if you're going to be on an Android device, it's going to say add it to a Google Wallet. And then all you need to do is follow the instructions. You don't need to verify an SMS code. You just click that and then it will work immediately. And as you can see right here, this is the card. This is by Zebec and it is fully working. And I can use this at restaurants, in person, anywhere. Thank you guys for watching.